The iPhone 17 may still be months away, but the leaks and rumors are already stirring up excitement. This time, the focus is on design, and it looks like Apple might be making one of its biggest changes in years. We've already heard about a redesigned camera system for the base model, but fresh leaks now give us a look at the iPhone 17 Pro, and it's definitely different from what we've seen before. A newly surfaced video suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro will still feature 3 rear cameras, just like previous models, but with a completely new layout. Instead of the familiar triangular arrangement, the cameras will be housed inside a rectangular camera bar with rounded edges. This contradicts earlier reports that hinted at Apple adopting a horizontal lens alignment. Based on these new renders, it seems like the final design is shaping up quite differently. Looking at the details, the camera bar is significantly taller than before. While some leaks had suggested a pixel-like horizontal alignment, this new setup places the 3 cameras on the left side of the bar, while the right side features an LED flash, a rear microphone, and a LiDAR scanner stacked vertically. The reason behind this placement, aligning the cameras in a straight line might interfere with the hardware used for the dynamic island, making it an impractical choice for Apple. Of course, it's important to take leaks with a grain of salt, especially when it comes to Apple. The company is known for keeping its final designs tightly under wraps until the official reveal. However, the fact that multiple sources are now reporting a camera bar design suggests that Apple is seriously considering this change. So is this wide camera bar the final design, or could Apple still go for a horizontal layout? That's the big question. We'll likely get more hints when leaked iPhone 17 cases start surfacing, as they often reveal the actual camera shape and placement before the official announcement. If Apple does stick with this design, the iPhone 17 Pro will bear a striking resemblance to Google's Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, both of which also feature a rear camera bar. However, while Google's lenses are horizontally aligned, Apple's approach is different. Some might find this new look refreshing, while others might wonder why the sudden change. Is this an actual improvement, or is Apple just switching things up to make the iPhone stand out? Apple doesn't usually make design changes without a reason. Could this camera placement lead to real improvements in photography and video capabilities? It's possible. Apple has been heavily investing in camera technology, from sensor enhancements to AI-powered image processing. This redesign could be aimed at better depth sensing, improved low-light performance, or new computational photography tricks that take iPhone photography to the next level. Another thing to consider is how this affects the overall form factor of the iPhone 17 Pro. If Apple is introducing a camera bar, could we also see changes in the phone's thickness or shape? Some reports suggest that Apple is experimenting with new materials that could make the iPhone 17 series lighter and more durable. If this new design helps with weight distribution or improves how the phone feels in hand, it might be a practical change after all. Of course, not everyone welcomes design changes, especially when they affect something as recognizable as the iPhone's camera layout. Apple users have gotten used to the triple camera triangle, and a drastic shift might take some time to accept. But we've seen this happen before. Remember when Apple removed the home button? Or when they switched to USB-C on the iPhone 15? People resisted at first, but eventually, these changes became the new normal. So, what are your thoughts on this possible iPhone 17 Pro design? Are you excited about the new camera bar, or do you prefer the traditional setup? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone 17 updates, leaks, and rumors as we get closer to launch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.